Yes, yes, yes. Good morning, listeners, and welcome to another show of Your Insurance Connection. My name is Donald Marquez, and I'm your host today on this beautiful Tuesday right here in Las Vegas, Nevada at KCEP in the 106. And I hope everyone is having a great day and had a great weekend. Super Bowl is coming up, so put your bets in, and I hope you win. But anyway, welcome to the show again, listeners. We're going to have a lot to talk about within this 30-minute time that 88 allows me to have. Now let's talk about some car insurance. I don't talk about car insurance a whole lot, but we're gonna talk about it today. Okay. Now, with the car insurance rates here in the state of Nevada, okay, with the car insurance rate here in the state of Nevada, everybody, when they come to me, they complain about the rates. They complain about they're paying way too much for car insurance. And I understand that. I do understand that. And people wonder why they pay so much for car insurance. You have to understand, Las Vegas is a transient town. The liquor pours 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They never stop pouring alcohol. And that sometimes, relate to higher car insurance rates. All right, we have a transit city. People move in and move out. If you ever go on Las Vegas Boulevard in that traffic, or you don't have to be on Las Vegas Boulevard to see the traffic congestion, the accidents. You can go on the 95 or the 15 any day of the week and see the traffic congestions and the accidents. Someone's always pulled over as it related to a fender bender, and usually it's a rear end collision. Okay, a lot of people are following too close. All right, when you follow too close, if a person in front of you brakes and all of a sudden now you hit them in the rear, that also creates your car insurance rates going up. And if you file multiple claims, okay, if you file multiple claims for minor fender benders, now if someone hits you, all right, let me go back up a little bit. If you hit someone, all right, and they file a claim, and you feel like it's way too much money for that claim, the person has every right to file a claim against your insurance policy. Now, they have every right to get their car repaired at the dealership, and usually the dealership costs a little bit more to get their cars repaired. Now, you may look at the bill, or you may think they're not injured, but that is not your call. Okay, that is not your call. But that also drives up insurance rates. So, be more of a careful driver. Slow down. Don't be in a hurry. You're going to get there to your destination and be safe getting there. And try to keep your insurance rates down. Now, if there's someone in your household that has a driver's license that's not listed on your auto insurance policy, that could cause your auto insurance rates to increase. Okay. Now, this person may have their own car insurance and their own vehicle, but you need to let your insurance company know that this person has their own car insurance and their own vehicle. All right. And that's also going to help you reduce the cost of auto insurance here in the state of Nevada. Another way to save money and to increase the benefits of having car insurance is they call it the bundle now. I like that word a little bit, but anyway, it's a multi-policy discount. All right, let me say that again. It's a multi-policy discount. That's when you have your home and your auto with the same insurance company. That's going to give you one of the biggest discounts. Being married is going to give you a discount. Now, I've talked to some married couples where they have everything separated. It's costing you more money to have car insurance when you're separated. In other words, he has his car insurance at company A, and she has her car insurance at company B. Maybe they just got married, but you can combine that as a married couple, all right, on one auto insurance policy, home and auto discount. Even if you're a renter, you could take advantage of the multi-policy discount. For more information, my name is Donald Marquez. You're tuned into Your Insurance Connection right here at KCP 88.1 in the 106. My contact phone number is 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Make the connection. Give me a call. My location is at 2300 West Sahara. I'm right on the corner of Rancho and Sahara, right in the beautiful U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor. I do work by appointment only, so please give me a call. Once again, my phone number is 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. It's my personal cell phone number because I'm going to give you the personal attention that you deserve. I'm also right now on Facebook Live, so if you want to tune in on Facebook Live, or if you haven't caught my shows, it's your first time listening, I'm on Facebook Live. You can go on Facebook and look at my previous shows. I recorded on Facebook some valuable information to help you save money on your auto insurance and also your homeowner's insurance. And yes, life insurance. Gotta have that life insurance. Wow, I've talked to so many people. I received a call last week from a new funeral service just opened up here in Las Vegas. It's called Clark County Funeral Services. They're located on 2041 West Bonanza. A gentleman over there, his name is Mr. Brown. He contacted me and he said, "Man, I heard you on the radio, and you can really help a lot of people with their life insurance because a lot of people come to us after the fact and they're concerned about their life insurance. So check them out, Clark County Funeral Services. They're located on 2041 West Bonanza. Look them up online. They're available for your services, and to my understanding, they're very affordable. So do check them out and tell them you heard about it on Your Insurance Connection. All right. Getting back to the car insurance. Now, if your car insurance every 6 months you see your car insurance rates increasing, there's a reason for that. We don't know. Sometimes you can't understand that. Wow, I got my car insurance. I have my same vehicle. I haven't moved. I don't know why my car insurance rates keeps going up. Now, your car insurance rates could be affected at the age of 75. Sometimes seniors feel this impact when they reach age 75. I don't care what company you're with. A lot of times you will feel that impact at age 75. Now, they're wondering, why I'm 75, I don't go anywhere, I'm retired. Yes, you are. However, in the 75 to the 85 category, the insurance companies have experienced a lot more accidents in this age category. Okay. But, I am an insurance agent that I can look for the right price for the right coverages for you. I represent over 25 auto insurance companies. Let me say that again. I represent over 25 auto insurance companies. I call myself an insurance agent, but I really am a insurance financial advisor. I like that. I like both an insurance agent and also what I truly am, I'm an insurance financial advisor. Not only am I going to advise you on your auto insurance to save as much money as I can for you, to make sure you are properly insured. The biggest thing in Nevada that I see over and over and over again with the minimum coverages on your auto insurance. You're driving these really nice luxury vehicles, okay? Really nice luxury vehicles. But your insurance, you're looking at the lowest cost insurance because I know you're bombarded every time you watch television or listen to the radio. You're bombarded. Hey, I can save you 20%, 30%, whatever. Okay, fine. If you believe that, call them. And all of a sudden you're going to find out, well, it's not what I thought it was going to be because they're talking about a nationwide advertising where they could save you possibly 10%, maybe 20%, but not any more than that. It depends on your zip code where you live at. I'm going to be straight with you right here. We keep it real on Your Insurance Connection. Your auto insurance is based on where you live, your zip code, your age, your driving experience, whether you have any tickets or accidents. So for more information, call me. Let's sit down. Let's do a full insurance review. Let's review your auto insurance, to see if there's any way we could make it affordable for you. All right? 702-647-3688. I'm taking calls today. I normally don't take a lot of calls, but I'm taking calls today. So if you have any questions or comment, the power line is open. Brian Timms is waiting to receive your calls with any questions you may have for me. 702-647-3688 is KCP's phone number. If you have any questions while we're live right here on the air, give me a call, and we could talk about your insurance concerns. Now, if you're calling me asking me how much money you can save, I'm on the air, okay? I need to be in front of my computer. You need to come in, and we'll sit down and talk about it. But you can't call me on the air and ask me how much money can I save on my car insurance. I don't know, because I don't know you. But if you pick up the phone and call me, we can have an appointment, and we can discuss all of your insurances. Because one of the things I do is I do a thorough review. We go line by line with your current insurance. You bring your declaration page with your current insurance. Now, if you don't have it, that's fine. And your declaration page is the heart of the policy, your auto insurance policy. It's going to tell you all your coverages. And a lot of you, unfortunately, I see you don't pick up medical or uninsured motorist. These are one of the two important insurances you can have on your auto insurance policy is the medical and the uninsured motorist. Now, the medical will pay for emergency medical, whether you have health care or not. But what it's going to pay is going to pay for the paramedics to come out and pick you up and take you to the hospital. That way you won't be burdened with the bill because they want to be paid right away. They're not going to wait around till your policy pays the claim. And that could take up to 2 years. And also the uninsured motorist. Now, the uninsured motorist portion on your auto is when someone hits your car with no insurance, right? Or not enough insurance to cover you and the passenger's bodily injury. Really an important coverage to have, because if someone is driving around with 15,000 per person, 30,000 each accident on their bodily injury, and they hit you and you're injured, you have to go into the hospital. Hey, I don't have to tell you, you know what hospital bills cost today. All right, $15,000 is like a day stay in a hospital. If you're really seriously injured, and then you have 1530, okay, 15,000 per person, 30,000 each accident on your auto insurance, and you hit someone, all right, and their medical bills are, let's say, exceed your policy limits, you could be liable for the excess amount. Okay, don't let that happen. And we're talking about a lot of money to step up from 15,000 per person, 30,000 each accident. That's the minimum state requirement. To me, that's 1960 car insurance, right? That's 1960 car insurance. Now, the property damage on the auto insurance policy does not cover your property. All right, let me say that one more time because people really get this confused. The property damage on auto insurance policy does not cover your property. It covers the property that you hit. Okay, the property you hit. Now, if you're driving around with $10,000 property damage because you have the minimum state requirement, and I understand that's all you can afford, don't have $10,000 property damage on your auto insurance policy. Most cars on the road today are about $15,000 and up. Now, if you hit a car and the damage is over and above the $10,000 property damage you're carrying, you could be liable for those damages over and above your property damage limits. Now, with that in mind, carry $25,000. Now, you can have 15, 30, 25. If that's all you can afford, I understand that. I'm clear on that. Have 15,000 per person, 30,000 each accident, but put $25,000 worth of property damage on your auto insurance. And the only thing it takes a phone call your agent, or you can call me. I'll make it happen for you. Put $25,000 instead of $10,000. You know what the difference is? Probably the cost of a soda for 6 months. All right, it's not that different. But I'm gonna tell you something. If you're in a car accident with $10,000 worth of property damage, you're gonna feel the impact if that's over and above your policy limits. Don't let that happen to you. And you're hearing it live right here on Your Insurance Connection. I'm Donald Marquez. If you're just tuning in, this is some great information. No one else does this but me. I come on the air and I educate you on insurance. Insurance have so many moving parts. I'm gonna tell you something. It has so many moving parts. I've been in this business for over 20 years and I'm still learning something new every single day. But I want to appreciate the customers that came in last week and the week before and patronize my business. And I'm gonna tell you something. I am so honored with the ladies that's coming in, that's doing their thing, because the ladies are stepping up to the plate and coming in and taking care of their families with their insurance needs. I'm gonna tell you something, ladies. Thank you. I applaud you, over and over again, because you're the ones that's calling me and coming in and taking care of your family insurance. Now, fellas, we need to step it up just a little bit more because I have some purple folders for the ladies. And I have some gray folders for the fellas. All right, now fellas, I need to fill up some of those gray folders because ladies, they come in now. You know what? They're coming in now and say, do I get a purple folder? Yes, you do. And they expect that purple folder. So give me a call, make an appointment, 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. Make the connection, 702-236-2624. It's not that difficult. It's still the first of the year, okay? A lot of you called me and said, hey, I'm going to take care of this the first of the year. Now is the first of the year. Now it's time to do it. Again, I'm on Facebook Live. And again, at previous shows, I'm on Facebook. And you can tune in and check out my shows. And any questions or comments, make a comment or just, come in. I've talked to a lot of you. And you've told me, I've been listening to you for the last year and a half, 2 years. And I've been on the air for 2 years now. And I'm still thinking about giving you a call, but things come up. Things gonna come up regardless all the